What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the Degen Alpha show. My name is Taco. I think my music wasn't working before the stream. I was trying to play the Pump It Up song by, like, don't you know? I was trying to play it. I don't know if it went through the audio on the stream. Oh, well. How you guys doing today? We are pumping. The markets are looking juicy. We're going to check it out. Let's get right into it. Hey, look, we're already here. Degen Alpha Show here on X, live on X and YouTube. Your guide to confident blockchain navigation. And the wildest degenerate crypto picks, handpicked by me. Crypto_Taco01, the one and only. Give me a follow over here. I would appreciate it. I'm also the host of the Roundtable Space account. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we are playing Web3 games over there. We were playing a really fun game yesterday, Web3 War. It's a first-person shooter where you can earn FPS tokens and you can trade them in for cash for some crypto dollars like Tether or USDC. You name it, you can swap it out for whatever you want. But let's check out the crypto markets. Let's refresh the page. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We have Cobra Flex in the chat. Big Tip Shark. What is up, guys? That would have been awesome. No, the audio. Yeah, I don't know what the hell's wrong with my computer. For some reason, it doesn't like to play audio, even though I had these settings the same every single day. Let's see. Maybe that worked? I don't know. OBS doesn't like me, especially the audio aspect, especially since this mic is plugged into this device that's not supposed to be plugged into, but it's kind of like a quick fix because this part of the microphone goes into that thing, and then it goes into USB-C connection, whatever. You guys don't need to know about that. You care about crypto. Looks like Bitcoin has pumped 5.57% over the last 24 hours, up 8.37 over the last 7 days. We are about to hit $73,000. We are at $72,938. Ethereum also having a great day, up 6.61%, sitting at $2,672. BNB at 610. Solana at 181, up about 4% on the day, about 8.72 on the week. What about Doge? Doge is having a great week, up about 30% and about 18% today. Ever since Don Alt tweeted out about Dogecoin, it has gone up pretty significantly. It was at like 11 cents. Now it's at 17 cents. $26 billion market cap for the king of meme coins still, unless a meme coin this cycle can overtake Dogecoin. What do you guys think? There are some good ones out there. Let's go to meme coins real quick. Let's see what else is out there in the meme coin markets. Shiba Inu at 11.4 billion, up 13% today. Pepe maybe is one that could overtake Doge, but I know the Pepe meme is like over all encompassing around the internet, like internet lore from back in the day on like 4chan. So that could possibly take the king. I don't think so, though. I don't know. What do you guys think? Dog with Hat up 15% today, sitting at a 2.6 billion market cap. Popcat with another all-time high, 1.7 billion market cap, sitting at $1.78, up 21% today. Bonk. I think Bonk is one of my favorite meme coins, just because I got it for free on my when I bought my Saga phone, sitting at a 1.668 billion market cap, up 10.4% today. Then we got Floki up about 14%, Bread up about 13%. Cat in the Dog's World closing in on that billion mark. Mogcoin also closing in on that billion mark. Mogcoin up 18% today. First Nero on Ethereum. I'm hesitant to buy or DCA into Nero just because it seems like it just popped out of nowhere. I mean, meme coins that kind of tend to go into the stratosphere do tend to just pop up out of nowhere, like Godius Maximus, the AI meme coin. That thing is at a 712 million market cap already, and it's only been, I think, like a week and a half, 2 weeks. Let's double check. Let's see when this thing came out. Yeah, it came out October 14th. So it's been only, what is that, like 2 weeks? 2 weeks old, already at a 711 million market cap. All right, let's check out the top gainers. Let's see what is moving the most. Sui. I put Sui on the thumbnail. I was talking about Cetus protocol. So let's actually check out Cetus real quick. Cetus protocol is one of the main dexes on Sui. And they're only at a 51 million market cap. Up 30% today, though. I was talking about Cetus protocol probably last week. So you could have scooped it up all the way down here, potentially, or in the past. It seems to have been going sideways, but it finally broke out. And now we're in price discovery for Cetus protocol. So let me know if you anyone scooped up some Cetus. All right, let's see what else is moving today. Popcat again is at an all-time high. Mogcoin, big gainer. Dogecoin. I mean, we went over all these. A lot of them are meme coins. Pendle having a great day, up 15.8%. Dog with Hat, we went over. Nero, we went over. Athenia, up 14.47%. Floki, you guys saw. Aptos, up 12.21%. I just am not a fan of Aptos. Just not a fan. Don't really want to interact with their blockchain or do anything on Aptos. So if you do, be my guest. Shiba Inu, Ondo is sitting at 74 cents at 12.64% gain on the day. Another meme coin, Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance is catching a bid, up 12%. Conflux up 11. Say, I love Say. I want Say to get back up to $1. That would mean that my airdrop would be worth $3,000. So that'd be really nice. I'd love that. And I think it's definitely possible. It could definitely get to a 3 billion market cap. Ordi up 11.44%. Optimism up. Beam, Arweave, Bonk, Lido, Injective, double digit on Injective. And the list goes on and on and on. Almost everything is green today. So let's take it in and just relax. Anything specifically wrong about Aptos? I remember when it first launched, it was just like super VC heavy. And they were just dumping a lot of it. Maybe that's wrong. Maybe it's changed since its inception. Let's see. Let's see the price history of Aptos. I just remember it being very heavily VC oriented. All right, so it launched at around $7.26, pumped up to $9.50, and then dumped down to $3.23, but not before just holy shit going up to $18. So maybe I should take another look at Aptos. The market cap seems to be following the price relatively the same. Circulating supply, there is barely any of the supply out. And the circulating supply is 517 million only out. Actually, wait, hold on. All right, no, it's only half. All right, so we've got about 50% of the supply out. Total supply is 1.12 billion. Circulating supply is about half of that. So not as bad as I thought. Arweave is for data, right? Arweave for cloud data storage, I believe. Not necessarily a sexy project, but I mean, hey, they're at 1.13 billion. Let's look at their price history over time and then compare that to market cap. So it looks like the issuance, or what do you call it? The inflation rate of Arweave is greater than the price action because there's more coins out in existence when the price is not going up as much. So let's look at their website. Let's just get a refresher. Arweave, permanent information storage. Yeah, like cloud storage. Yeah, cliff unlocks, I believe, for Aptos are not that great. Also with like Celestia. Celestia's unlocks is not great either. We could actually look at that. I think it's on the coin perspective. Well, let's take a look. The coin perspective. Or wait, no, it's not the coin perspective. It's token unlocks. I think we actually have a tab up here. God, there we go. This room, I think, just makes my nose just like itch like crazy. It's token unlocks. I had it right there. There it is. All right, let's look at Aptos. Wait, is this the right website? Did they rebrand Token Unlocks? Yeah, I guess they rebranded to the Tokenomist. Aptos. All right, let's see if information is still out here. Emissions. I don't think it's tracking Aptos. I don't see any of the information here. All right, let's look at, what was that other token I wanted to look at? Arweave? Why not? No token found. I spelt it right. All right, well, let's just move on. Let's see what stories I got for you guys. 17.54 million Bitcoin shorts liquidated. So this definitely accounted for that price action, that price jump in Bitcoin. This is a chart I've been charting ever since like February of this year. We've been in this descending channel. We've touched on the top of the resistance and on the bottom of the support multiple times. As you can see, I circled in purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can even say 6 on resistance. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on support. And you can see, I think this is a clear breakout of this move that has been about 240 days in the making. Yeah, just about 240 days. And I think on a previous stream, I even highlighted this. It's going to go up. It's going to retest, flip resistance into support, and then it's going to go on its way. And I think even Marty Party has a nice little Wyckoff distribution here. So here's his Bitcoin Wyckoff distribution, a Wyckoff accumulation schematic. So you can kind of see it pretty much follows this Wyckoff pattern like a T. You can see the springboard right there. And ever since there, that marked the bottom. That was back in August 5th, 2 days before my birthday. And then that was marking the bottom of this channel. And from that point, we are up. If I can get the damn thing, it's on the different bam, bam, bam. It's up about 50%. Arweave is like 99% unlocked. That's good to know. That's good to know. Yeah, look at that. Total supply and circulating supply. They are equivalent. They are the same. So that's good. That means that they can't just unlock a whole bunch of tokens, throw them out into the supply, and that dilutes your token value, which you can see on the chart, but not for Arweave. Arweave is looking good with the total supply and circulating supply out. And again, Arweave is for storage. The Arweave network is like Bitcoin, but for data. A permanent and decentralized web inside an open ledger. Pretty not sexy, but again, you need this type of thing in crypto for data storage, decentralized storage on the blockchain. So that's all good, all good. So I saw this tweet by Brian Armstrong, and I'm hoping that this comes to fruition, that the next SEC chair just does away with all of the shitty things that Gary Gensler has been doing over the last few years in the crypto markets. The next SEC chair should withdraw all frivolous cases and issue an apology to the American people. It would not undo the damage done to the country, but it would start the process of restoring trust in the SEC as an institution. All right, so here we go. Is a digital asset a security? In 2018, they said no. In 2021, they said yes. In 2024, they said no. In 2024, 5 days later, they said yes. And then 8 months later, they say no. So they have no idea what the answer is over there, and they're just misleading, again, the American people. Is Bitcoin a security? In 2023, they say no. The SEC has never claimed Bitcoin is a security. And then in 2024, maybe. There's not an answer. And then in 2024, they said no again. 4 days later, that's not a security. Can the SEC regulate digital asset exchanges? In 2021, they said no. Right now, there is not a market regulator for crypto exchanges. And then in 2022, yes, Congress gave us a board framework to regulate exchanges. Is existing law clear? No. In 2020, there is no certainty about whether digital assets are securities. But then in 2023, yes, we have a clear regulatory framework built up over 90 years. So where was that regulatory framework in 2020? They just didn't want to apply the law? Or they're just trying to apply an old, outdated law to digital assets that are brand new? And they also have a product called AO, which is like an artificial intelligence Web 3. Is that for Arweave? Because you put a question mark there. Do I know the answer? I do not. In other news, Swell Layer 2 is migrating to Optimism. The move will see Swell L2 join the superchain as an optimistic rollup built on the OP stack. An Ethereum-aligned scaling solution, the OP stack powers all blockchains in the superchain with the same module open source and MIT licensed code base focused on parallel development, openness, and transparency. So we are in we're in Swell Layer 2. It's really easy to get in. All you have to do is go to the Swell app, app.swellnetwork.io, and then in the top left, go to Layer 2. So you can deposit any of these assets into the Swell Layer 2 and start earning ecosystem points. What we did is we took our wrapped Bitcoin, we had it just in a wallet, we had it in a Bitcoin wallet, we sent it to our Coinbase exchange account, we swapped it for wrapped Bitcoin, and then we sent that wrapped Bitcoin to our MetaMask, our ERC20 Ethereum address. So now it's native Ethereum asset on the Layer 1. And then we put it into a liquid restaking token, Swell Bitcoin, which is earning us in the ecosystem of Swell. All right, so Cobra answered his own question and said, no, they didn't. Okay, all right. All good, all good. So they're coming out with their own Layer 2. Again, if you want to get in on the action, there is a bunch of different paths you could take. I recommend going through one of the protocols that is powering Swell Layer 2 so that you can get double the points. Oh, we're dumping? No, we're not. No. Let's refresh. I mean, barely anything. Barely. But, I mean, after we pump up a lot, in a short amount of time, like 12 hours. Usually the hourly sometimes goes up to 1, maybe 2% for the big guys like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Right now, Bitcoin is down last hour, 0.29%. Nothing crazy. Let's go to the chart. Let's go to like the hour. I mean, it's still looking strong on the chart. It's showing, this is on the hour, 11 bull versus a -4 bear. We are passing the 60 line, which is behind my head. And in the past, when we passed the 60 line, like right here on the 28th, so yesterday we passed it right here. We pumped up 2%. We touched the 60 line right here, and then we pumped up, I mean, I guess you could say this whole move, about 6.27%. So I think Bitcoin is still going to go up a little bit more today. Maybe what you'll see is it touch its all-time high, maybe 73,900, I believe, was the all-time high back in, let's see, on March 14th, 73,894. So we are very, very close to that all-time high. If we bounce off of 72.5, that's a confirmation that it's support. So 72.5 bounced like down or bounce up. Because 72.5, it looks like we wicked right past it a little bit. And we're still up there. We're actually still up there. This is misleading on the daily because this is showing the level 71,269. But if you go into like the hourly, you can see we're up to 72,697, 696. All right, so back to Swell Layer 2. The biggest names in DeFi, including Base from Coinbase, Unichain from Uniswap, Sonium from Sony, are all sharing infrastructure in the Optimism Superchain. This collective of rollups adhere to shared standards and principles and benefit from interoperability, shared updates and security, and access to grants and programs across the ecosystem. So I like that they're using the optimistic rollup built on the OP stack. It is a proven tech that is very secure, and other companies, including Uniswap and Sonium from Sony, are using this tech in the super chain built by Optimism rollups. So love it, love it. In other news, Solaire Labs launches U.S. Treasury bill-backed stablecoin on Solana. Don't know if this sound is coming through because although I'm getting the audio on my OBS, could not tell you why it's not coming through the stream. All right, cool little video, 15 seconds long. The U.S. Treasury is backed by our imagination too. Okay, all right. All right, so I went over this yesterday, but 0x Nobler came out with a similar type of tweet to Marty Parties. In 2024, alt season is going to start in November, according to 0x Nobler. The Bitcoin dominance indicator just reversed after reaching a cycle high. I noticed the same pattern in 2020, and I turned $800 into $150K by picking the right alts. So he's going into some alts he believes that are 100x low cap gems. So here's the chart he's referencing: 1,065 days for us to get out of like the Bitcoin dominance rise, and then fall for altcoin season to start. You can see that highlighted in the light blue is altcoin season. In the pink, it is Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin season. Blue, it is altcoin, Bitcoin, and I mean altcoin. Altcoin maybe is starting. Maybe time to pack our bags. Let's continue packing our bags because you guys have been packing your bags. All right, so let's see what he is going over. Rio. So you never know. These could be sponsored posts, but Relio Network is an end-to-end blockchain-based software as a service platform for the issuance, investment, and lifecycle management of digital securities and crypto assets. It's an RWA play, sitting at 68 cents and a market cap of 4.5 million. So if this gets up to 450 million, what is that? Is that a 100x or is that a 10x? That's a 100x. 45 million would be a 10x. So let's look at RIO. Let's see what RIO is all about. Actually, well, he just told us, but let's look at the chart. Having a good day today, up about 12.5%. So the market cap is actually lower than his tweet. Where is it? Yeah, he said actually, no, it's a little higher, 4.91. So it's up 13% since his tweet, which makes sense because the price is up 13%. So let's go to the all-time. All right, so this thing had a pretty good start, a really big wick to the upside, and then somebody just immediately dumped it, maybe an insider. And then pretty decent price action, but then down here during the bear market when nobody cares, it was that was your best time to accumulate at 2 cents. At 2 cents, 1 cent, 1.5 cents, and now we're at 75 cents. But I mean, if you were buying at 2 cents, I would 100% have taken profit at around $2 to $3, which it got up to. So let's look at their website. The future of private equity is digital. We are eliminating the barriers to invest in, trade, and leverage exclusive real estate, private equity, and other real-world assets through decentralized finance. All right, so you can log in and register, but we're not going to do any of this, but could be a play. And right now, could be a decent opportunity to get in. So I'm actually probably going to maybe put a little allocation into Rio. It's ranked 1,318 on CoinMarketCap, so way out of the top 100, way out of the top 1,000. So it could be a hidden gem on like page 50 of CoinMarketCap. All right, let's see what else the Nobler has for us. Nosana AI is a blockchain-based open source cloud computing marketplace dedicated to AI infrastructure. So this one's a little larger. It's at 181 million. Price is $3.75. And let's look at this. Powering the AI revolution. Open compute for all. All right, let's look at the chart. Nosana. All right, so this actually is down from his tweet 5%. Let's go to the all-time chart. All right, I mean, it was pretty flat. No one really interested in it from like April 2022 until like October, November of 2023. And then this thing went from pennies up to $6 plus. So we look like we just had a price action to the upside of about 100% plus from $1.30 up to $3.60. So I could go out and say this thing could get to a few $1 billion if it really catches on. Let's go to their website. I mean, AI is a hot topic. The mind share of crypto is centered around AI right now. AI meme coins, I think, are number 1 and number 2. Access AI compute power or monetize your GPU resources. Start earning with your GPUs. So almost like get grass. Oh, by the way, let's go to that real quick. Let's see if airdrop adventure. What's up, Crypto Red Bot and Jumper DCS World, Quarter Crawler? What's up, guys? Glad you're joining me today. So, Get Grass Foundation, their claim is live, and I was able to claim about 85 of their tokens, and I honestly did not farm it to its the extent of which I could have farmed it, because when you have a VPN on, I don't believe that the Get Grass what's it called? Extension on your computer works. I think it has to just be on regular internet, no VPN. But yeah, I was able to claim about 85 of them, again, off of like barely farming it. And I mean, hey, look at the price. It's up 40% today, 37% today, above $1. So I actually sold my allocation. I actually sold my allocation last night. I made about 85 bucks. And I could have made a little bit more. Or I made around $69. But if I held it, I could have made about 86, 85 bucks and sold it today. Or maybe the better option would have been to hold on to it. I know like the project got a lot of FUD because of the allocations. People didn't think they received as much as they thought they should have received. But I mean, if one grass that you farmed equals one grass that you received, I mean, some people are receiving tens of hundreds of thousands of dollars of the grass token. So I like to see that it's actually going up today and not just dumping. You did have to use a VPN. Oculus L says, I got some grass from a few wallets. I had to use a VPN though. For me, it was the opposite. I could not get it to work with a VPN. So if I wanted to just have it farm the points, I had to turn my VPN off. All right, let's see what else I got. So NOS, Raven coin. I'm going to go out and say like this one's avoid that one. 01 Lab is a decentralized artificial intelligence. Okay, some more AI. This one's only at a 50 million market cap, sitting at 55 cents. So DEAI. Let's check it out. DEAI. There it is. 01 Labs. All right. So 53 million market cap. Let's look at all time. All right. So this thing had a great start, kind of fizzled out, found a bottom around 14 cents, and now we're at 59 cents. So let's look at market cap. So market cap got up to about, if I can get it on that peak. All right, 106 million. So we're about half. We're about half of the market cap that it currently was. So let's say this thing goes on a run. I mean, let's say it gets back up to all-time high. That's $1 plus. It's actually $1, almost $1.10. So you can make a 2x on it. If it gets back up to all-time high, let's look at their website. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so this is good. I can actually just connect my wallet. I don't have to like register, sign in, give them my social security number and whatnot. Powering decentralized AI. 01 Labs enables innovators to build decentralized AI applications with FHE encryption. So here's the thing. What percent of the population knows how to build AI applications? That's my main stick with all of these AI plays. It's all, here's the tools to build. But like, what percent of the population even knows how to build these things? Maybe these tools make it very easy, but again, I don't know how to build AI applications, so maybe I should use this. Let's connect our wallet. Let's get in. Let's make something. All right. All right, how do I build something now? Mainframe, we have to go to the mainframe. All right, it looks like in order to use their service, you have to stake their tokens. Looks like you're earning, what is ZCP incentives? All right, let's read this. Mainframe is a central hub for meta governance and incentives within the 01 Labs ecosystem, designed to align the interests of users, builders, developers, and node runners. All right, so if you don't want to build AI applications, it looks like you can stake. Ask AI how to build AI. That is an amazing question. Let's see if we can get it to work. All right, so building an AI application involves several key steps. Here's a general outline to get you started. All right, guys, what problem do we want to solve? All right. I want to solve the problem of my investments going down. How do I avoid that? Gather requirements, data collection, data processing. Okay, build me an AI app that predicts the weather. Don't tell me how to do it. Just do it. Oh, they did do it. They even gave me the code. All right, they can't build it directly, but they can help me outline it. So that might be like a game changer, I guess you could say. If you could like talk to an AI agent and have them build an AI agent for you, that might be pretty crazy. So DEAI, I'm going to keep that one in the... Bro, that's wild, says Zachary Martin. I mean, hey, we're in this day and age where large language models, they have all the information depending on what they are set to be trained on. And I mean, hey, someone out there has built one, so they could just pull that information from them, right? All right, so as far as his list goes, I'm going to give a taco approved on Rio. Nos, I'm going to give it a B. Raven, I'm going to give an F. Just because it's like an old proof of work chain that had like a massive exploit where you can create new tokens. I guarantee you they fixed it by this point, but Ravencoin is so boring that I don't think anyone cares about it anymore. That's just my opinion. I could be wrong. TokenFi aims to simplify the crypto and asset tokenization process and eventually become the foremost tokenization platform in the world. Okay, all right. So it's an RWA. So they want to tokenize our real world assets. 40 million market cap, and the ticker is token. Nice ticker. That's actually a pretty good ticker. There it is right there, TokenFi. Having a good day today, up about 15.5%. All right, yeah, so it's pretty low compared to what it was at. It got up to like 23 cents, and we're at 4 cents. We're at almost 5 cents. So that's a 5x if it's like a 4 or 5x if we get back up to all-time high. So I'm gonna go ahead and say, without even looking at the website and all right, let's look at their website. The standard tokenization process can be painfully slow and extremely expensive for the average user. TokenFi gives users all they need to create a token or tokenized real-world asset in a simple, all-in-one platform without writing a line of code. All right, I mean, so AI is making the average person able to tokenize assets. You get token from staking your Floki. Wow, really? How did they work that deal out? That's pretty cool. That's really cool, Oculus L. I wish I knew that earlier. No, I'm just kidding. I know it now. Now, thanks to you. Ooh, can I create generative AI for NFTs? Can I do this right now? Generate? No, I can't do it right now. TokenFi Connect allows users to directly and seamlessly connect with key players. Coming soon. TokenFi Quick Launch Bot would allow quick and instantaneous token deployment through Telegram and Discord. So you can create tokens via Discord or Telegram. I think, oh, there you go. Referral program and user incentives. What's good, Taco? Says Meek Vision. Taco. The TokenFi referral program allows you to earn a percentage of fees when you refer people and they use the protocol. We also have an allocation of 5% of the TokenFi token supply towards a user incentive program aimed at boosting adoption. And there's the Floki guy. All right, so yeah, I am going to... this website's very... has a lot of information. I like it. What's staking look like? Stake, earn, claim rewards. So current staking, this is just for, let's get started. All right, so I want to see how much would I like to stake. TokenFi staking platform is fully audited by Surtech, and our staking contracts are monitored 24/7 on Skynet. Know the risk of staking, blah, blah, blah. What is the APY, though? I don't have any staked, but does it tell me? Does it tell you? Calculate your tier. All right, so this is like a point system. If I stake 15,000 of the tokens, which is around $700, I stake it for 3 months. What does this get me? I am not seeing a percentage anywhere. Am I blind? Okay. I mean, what? I'm getting points, but I'm not. Am I getting any more token by staking? Not sure. Let's move on. All right. So I'm gonna give a taco approved on this one as well. Sui. I mean, you guys know about Sui. I'm gonna give it a taco approved. Ori AI is the world's first AI-powered oracle and ecosystem that blockchain for blockchain, serving as a foundational layer for the next generation of smart contracts and dApps. 81 million. It's a little larger than token. It's about half this, half as large or half larger. Excuse me. All right, so ORAI. And there it is. All right, doing okay today, up 3.42%. Let's look at all time. Wow. So this thing got up to $100. What did the market cap look like? That is concerning. That is concerning. So when the market cap was lower, the price got higher. When the market cap got higher, the price didn't follow. So is the issuance of the token outweighing the people buying it? Total supply 18 million, circulating is 13.82. So there's about 5 million tokens not in supply just yet. But then you have max supply over here of 19.78 million. It's a little misleading. Token supply and max supply, maximum amount of coins that'll ever exist. And total supply equals total coins created minus coins that have been burned. Okay, so they might have burned about 1 million. Yeah, as far as the issuance, I mean, more than half of the tokens are out. The price has been falling over the last year. Got up to about $20, and now it's back down to $6. I'm going to go ahead and give this one a C. A C. All right, and render. I'm going to give it an A. Aether Cloud, decentralized real-time rendering. All right, that's. Do we want to look into this one? 189 million. I mean, if it gets up to $1 billion, that's a 5x. Pika and wrapped pulse chain. Shirley Fortress says, you could not pay me to get onto pulse chain. Ondo Foundation is building the on-chain financial software for managing token. If you watch Discover Crypto, you know all about Ondo. And that's a wrap. So I think we follow this guy. Yeah, we are. So nice thread here. 0x Nobler. Again, I'm not sure if any of these are sponsored posts, but always do your research. Look into these projects. He's giving you like an outline of what he thinks could perform very well if we get an altcoin season. And I tend to agree with him. That is from his thread, so we don't want to look at that. BlackRock bought 4,528 Bitcoin again yesterday, and they hold 29.09 billion. So Bitcoin is at a 1.4 trillion market cap. So they still need to buy a shit ton in order to really move the price. But again, that's like their shareholders' holdings. That's not obviously theirs. It's the people that buy Bitcoin through the ETF that BlackRock has. Camino, we love Camino over here. Let's look at our position. It's got to be up today with everything up, and it is. We're up about $20 from yesterday. We're in the PYUSD, so PayPal stablecoin, and Judo Sol. So it's liquid staking token, Judo Sol. So you can see we put in. Actually, we don't want that. We want to go back to our portfolio. All right, let's refresh the page. And let's just turn on our VPN so we don't get this at the top. All right, perfect. So if you are using Camino, you can see you're building up points if you have any positions open on Camino. Right now, I have 128,000. So you can get those tokens and you can auto stake them. I moved all of my stake from this wallet, or maybe it was a third one of my wallets. I just centralized all of my Camino to be staked in one spot where I have most of my positions on Camino located. So you get a big boost by staking your Camino, and by using Camino, you get points which will allocate you Camino at the end of their seasons. So it's like a win-win-win. And it's also another win because you can use those liquid staking token protocols like Judo or like Marinade. You can get Judo Sol, obviously, from Judo. You can get M-Sol, Marinade Sol from Marinade, liquid stake it. So you're getting 8.54% here. And then you take that M-Sol over to Camino, and then you can go to liquidity, and you can see the different M-Sol pools. And you can double dip. Kill two birds with one stone. Get, what was it, like 7 point whatever percent over on Camino. Then you can get almost 8% over here on Marinade. And then you can get 8% over here on Camino. M-Sol Sol. So essentially, the only risk in this pool is the price of Solana going up and down. And I don't think you have to worry about M-Sol ever losing its value because I think it's a pretty legitimate protocol. But you can see all the different types of M-Sol pools here. You can see all different types of like PY, USD vaults, Camino vaults, Jupe vaults, memecoin, liquidity farm, stables. So stables are probably the lowest risk when it comes to adding positions. Like two stablecoin, PYUSD and USDT is giving you 12%. And those are two stablecoins. These are two stablecoins, USDT and USDC. If you just have some USDC or USDT sitting around, not getting any APY, I would throw them into a Camino pool and get that 10.66%. You can see all the other different types of pools, 28%. Not sure what USDCET is. Let's look. USDCET. USDC. That's not what it was it? USDCET. So, I mean, this is a good way to learn about other types of stable coins. I've never heard of this one. It's got the same logo. Must be on a different chain, or maybe it's a different chain's version of USDC. But this is on Solana. So what is USDCET? I don't know. Oh, well. We'll figure it out another day. Let's see what else I got. 10 whales spent $70.6 million betting on Trump winning the U.S. election on Polymarket. And this was back in October. You can see the spread. And if everything that Elon Musk is tweeting about the election and voting and the different areas around the United States, like swing states, how their vote is very in favor of Republican over the Democratic nominee, which is Kamala Harris. Let's hope that this is true. This type of poll is true. And Donald Trump is just going to blow Elon Musk out of the water. Elon Musk. Donald Trump is going to blow Kamala Harris out of the water with Elon Musk's help. That's what I meant. So Donald Trump currently has a 66.7% chance of winning the U.S. election on Polymarket. You can see the breakdown of these mega whales betting on the election. It's a lot of money. All right, that's that Wyckoff distribution. Oh no, breaking. Cardano native token ADA is continuing its downtrend. Psych. They have the chart flipped. Ha ha ha. So let's hope that this actually comes true. I would love for a run, a massive run on Cardano. It has been stuck in this 30-cent range for way too long. I wanted to do some price action to the upside. All right. And this guy is like a meme coin savant, whether it be insider information or he's just a, I guess you could say, what's it called? When like someone does something and then everyone else just follows what that person does. So like Murad invests in this random meme coin. All of the people that are watching him also invest in that mind share. Maybe that's the word I'm looking for. All right, so he's believing that there's going to be a massive meme coin bull mania, and it hasn't even started yet, and we're still in accumulation. He believes there's another 8 to 14 months of meme coin bull mania still to go, not celebrating in any shape or form until 2026. So he's got a longer extended bull market out until 2026. I don't know. What do you guys think? And that's all the stories I got for you guys. Do you have any meme coins you want me to look at? Let's look at Black Dragon from yesterday. I forgot who was mentioning it in the chat. It's up 9% today. It's a near meme coin, and I'd say it's the top near meme coin. So, yeah, let's see how it continues to do. Very, very small relative to other meme coins, but one of the largest on the near blockchain. 9.4 million market cap, about a $500,000 of liquidity. That's pretty good. All right, let's see if anything has changed. Still the same on the top gainers. What is actually down today? Caspa. All right, well, Radium has had a good week. They're just cooling off, 3.3% down. And stablecoin. So that's good to see. Good to see stablecoins losing like 0.01%. And go into 99 cents. As long as they don't depeg, that's fine. If we sit at a 99-cent stablecoin, those things will come back. Just when the market pumps, a lot of people tend to take profits. And that means that the price of like the big stablecoins tends to drop a hundredth of a penny. All right. Well, I think that's good for today. I think that was a pretty good episode. Good stream. Yeah, covering the market, the price action of Bitcoin. Currently on the 1 hour, it's showing an 11 bull versus a -3 bear. So the price could be stair-stepping sideways maybe for the next few hours, and then maybe it'll go on another run up. Looks like Market Cipher B, it looks like it could curl and print a red dot right there, but it could bounce off the 60 line and then do another run up. So this has been a nice run for Bitcoin. We marked a bottom right at the support, the resistance flip support, and we are up about 11%. So I think Bitcoin could cool off a little bit. I mean, it could go on another run, touch its all-time high, cool off a little bit, maybe form another base around that area, bounce off of there. So maybe it does something like this. That would be nice. That'd be nice. Get another re-entry down there. All right. Appreciate you guys watching. Smash that like button on your way out, and I'll be here tomorrow at around 4:15, 4:30. Because Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I do the Mario Nafal Roundtable Space on X stream at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So right after that stream, I'll get Degen Alpha all set up, and then we'll go live. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll try and play this. I'll try and play this on the way out. Hopefully it works. If not, just imagine. Oh wait, you can't see. I'll try and play this on the way out, the Pump It Up song. If it does not work, just imagine. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Peace.